Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video I will show you how to add a profile picture on Netflix app. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Netflix, open it. After that, go and click on My Netflix, and after that go and click on your name, your profile name, and after that click on Manage Profiles. And here there is a pen or icon of a pen on your avatar. Click on it, and after that click again on that pen icon on your avatar. And here, as you can see, there is the list of icons or the list of pictures that you can use for your profile. Choose any one of them. For example, I will choose this one. And as you can see, I changed my profile picture on Netflix app. And after that, of course, click on Done. Done again, and everything is good. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you.